Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you one of the easiest ways to start an online business in 2024. What's so unique about this strategy? No coding skills required, no need to write endless blog posts, and the competition is still relatively low. Sounds exciting, right? This video is divided into two parts. In the first part, I'll explain the idea and show you practical, real-world examples from my own business and from other successful entrepreneurs who have implemented this strategy. And in the second part, I'll walk you through a step-by-step, practical, technical guide on how to implement this strategy yourself. So, if you're ready to dive in and start your online business journey, let's get started. Now let's talk about the idea behind this strategy: building and selling data-driven tools. What do I mean by data-driven tools? Let me show you with some real examples. On my website, you'll find multiple databases like the prompts library, the code snippet library, and the email subject line library. For instance, in the prompts library, I've collected various prompts that can be used with language models like ChatGPT. Users can access and copy these prompts directly from my site, all built on WordPress without any coding. Here's another great example: Creator Hooks. This website offers a database of successful YouTube video titles, thumbnails, and more. It's an invaluable resource for YouTubers looking to improve their content strategy. Another example is Stats Database, a comprehensive collection of website data that helps users discover new niches, trends, and competitors. I hope you get the idea. It's all about creating a library of valuable data that people can use. In this part, we have three sections. First, I'll show you how to create these libraries. Then I'll share strategies to collect valuable data. Finally, we'll discuss a marketing plan to get your first customers. Let's start with the easiest method: using Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool to organize and share your data. You can create pages, add tables, and publish your content online. Selling these templates is super simple with platforms like Gumroad. You just create your page, fill in your data, click on share, then publish, and you get a link that turns your page into a website. To sell these templates, you can use Gumroad, where people are actively buying Notion templates. Now, if you want more flexibility without coding, WordPress is your best friend. You can set up custom post types and fields using plugins like Custom Post Type UI and Advanced Custom Fields. Then, design your data library with Elementor, a drag-and-drop page builder. Here's how you do it. Install the necessary plugins, create your custom post types, add custom fields, and design your template with Elementor. It's simple and gives you a professional look without needing a developer. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some data collection ideas. Think about valuable data in your niche. It could be social media templates, educational resources, marketing assets, or anything that people in your field would find useful. And now, for the marketing plan. Focus on building an email list and growing your presence on one social platform like Twitter or LinkedIn. Offer a free mini library to attract leads, then nurture them with valuable content and promote your premium products. As a bonus, here are two trending ideas: AI agents and AI automated workflows. Create a library of AI agents or automation workflows using tools like Zapier or Make, and sell these as ready-to-use solutions. And don't forget, Skillshare is offering the first 500 people to use my link a 1-month free trial. It's a fantastic resource to learn new skills and take your projects to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on starting and growing your online business. See you in the next video.